Caterpillar's large off-highway trucks need a large machine to load them. That's why Caterpillar has developed a machine to match our off-highway trucks. It's big and it's tough. This is one of Caterpillar's first 5130 hydraulic shovels off the assembly line. It weighs approximately 170 metric tons and is powered by a 563 kilowatt twin turbocharged and aftercooled 3508 engine, similar to the engines used in the 777C and D11N. This engine has electronic unit injection, or EUI, that monitors operator and sensor inputs to precisely optimize engine performance at different altitudes. The 5130 featured in this video is a front shovel arrangement. It has a maximum reach of nearly 13 meters and bucket sizes from 8.5 to 13.6 cubic meters. The backhoe arrangement has a maximum reach of almost 15 meters and bucket sizes from 10 to 14.5 cubic meters. Matched with the Cat 775B, 777C, and other large trucks in the 65 to 100 metric ton size class, they team up to provide an efficient loading and hauling system for mining, quarrying, and heavy construction applications. Hello, I'm Phil Gray, a training instructor in parts and service support. We're here at this job site to show you the newest member of Caterpillar's large mining machine family, the 5130 hydraulic front shovel. We'll look at the machine layout, the component locations, service and maintenance points, and we'll even spend some time in the spacious operator's cab. However, before we start the machine walk, proportional priority pressure compensated system, each actuated function receives oil flow requested by the pilot control lever or pedal position. If the total system oil flow demand exceeds the available flow, each circuit receives a proportional amount of the available flow. Pressure compensation ensures that flow to any function is independent of the loading on that function. The closed has many similarities to the 375 hydraulic excavator. We'll look at additional hydraulic system components a little bit later. But for now, let's take a look at our machine. This machine is shipped in 11 different modules. One of those modules is the bucket. Bucket sizes range from 8.5 to about 14 cubic meters. This is a 10.5 cubic meter bucket. The bottom dump cylinders are well protected by this cover. This portion of the auto lube system, mounted on the bucket, automatically greases the many pin joints in the bucket area. Another shipping module is the stick and boom. The front shovel and backhoe arrangements have different stick and boom designs. On the bottom of the stick and boom are the auto lube components that automatically lube the pin joints in the linkage while the machine is working. The track roller frame assemblies make up 2 additional shipping modules. Each track roller frame assembly consists of the track roller frame, front idler, 8 track rollers, the track guiding guards, 2 carrier rollers, 48 links and shoes built for extreme excavator service, the drive sprocket, the triple planetary reduction final drive, and the single-speed bent axis travel motor. Inside each track roller frame is a cylinder, valve, and accumulator that provide continuous track tensioning using pilot system pressure of 7,000 kilopascals. The 5th shipping module is this car body assembly. This assembly includes the front and a rear pull hook. Underneath the car body are the travel counterbalance valves, one for each travel motor. The track roller frames bolt to the car body. Large dowel pins in these bolted joints carry the shear loads, while the bolts provide clamping force. Mounted on top of the car body is the massive swing bearing. It's designed to carry the upper structure of the machine, which is supported by the swing frame. The next shipping module is the swing frame, the structural backbone of the 5130. It carries the front linkage, cab support, cab, left and right side modules, and the counterweight. The right module contains the engine radiator and aftercooler cores and the air conditioning condenser. This large cooling fan is hydrostatically driven and thermostatically controlled. Drain valves for the radiator and the aftercooler cores are serviced from here. Below, just behind the radiator, are the air tank and air dryer. The air tank supplies air for the horn through this solenoid valve and to the auto lube system grease reservoir located at the rear of the machine. Also, an air pressure sensor provides an input signal to the VIMS. Located behind the radiator is the engine compartment, where the 3508 EUI engine is located. Servicing the engine is easy from service platforms on both sides of the engine. I'll show you the platforms in a little bit. You can change engine oil using the quick change adapter located here. 4 12-volt batteries are located in a compartment behind this frame. They're accessible from the engine service platform. Just behind the engine is the hydraulic pump drive. 7 hydraulic pumps are driven directly from the drive. An auxiliary start receptacle is located here, where it's easily reached, if needed. Another shipping module is made up of the counterweight, which weighs 20,000 kilograms. The travel alarm is located here, where it won't be damaged. Here at the rear of the left module are the hydraulic system cooler, cooling fan, and fan motor. The auto lube system grease reservoir is also here. We'll look at these components in just a few minutes. Just in front of the counterweight is the ground level engine shutoff switch. In an emergency, push this switch to shut off fuel to the engine. In front of the cooling compartment is our fuel tank with a capacity of 2,600 liters. It's equipped with a fast refill adapter that's easily accessible from the ground. On the bottom of the tank is the fuel level sensor and fuel tank drain valve. Here's the ladder and grab irons that provide access to the lower service platform. A switch for the ladder light is located here in this opening. You've seen the 5130 from ground level. Now let's go up to the lower service level and check out some additional features. This is the cab support. Inside are several hydraulic and electrical components.
Efficient. You can't afford not to be. And efficiency means your equipment has to deliver maximum production with minimum downtime. And that's just what CAT trucks are designed to do. Today there are mines reporting 785 trucks with over 50,000 hours and 789s with over 30,000 hours. In fact, Caterpillar now claims over 50% of world sales for the mining industry. Why are more and more mining operations running CAT trucks? Because 785B, 789B, and 793B trucks are proving over and over again the advantages of mechanical drive. Because these trucks are equipped with electronically controlled features that make them more productive and cost efficient. And because in a number of high-hour applications, these trucks have consistently achieved 7,500 actual operating hours per year. The key to Caterpillar's success is machine integrity. Every system in every truck is designed and built to deliver maximum efficiency by working smarter with an advanced electronic powertrain management system that improves operating efficiency and reliability. Working harder with Caterpillar's proven mechanical drive technology and industry-leading braking system. And working longer with an operator environment that enhances productivity and CAT-built durability. And Caterpillar dealers' efficient support and service. The Caterpillar B-Series are trucks built for mining. Consistency, efficiency, and durability. That's what you can expect from Caterpillar electronically enhanced trucks. The advanced powertrain management system on B-Series trucks features an electronic unit injection engine, an electronically programmable transmission control, and a data link which allows these systems to communicate with and react to each other. EUI gets rid of many of the moving parts of a mechanical governor system, so there are fewer chances for problems. Sensors keep track of all important machine functions and report them to the electronic control module. This microcomputer electronically controls various functions like fuel and engine speed, so that all systems are working at optimum performance together. What are the benefits of EUI? First, you'll see a reduction in exhaust smoke. In the 785B, 789B, and 793B, electronic sensors tell the electronic control module when fuel ratios are optimal. This is much faster and far more efficient than mechanically controlling the governor rack position. Precise electronic control of fuel injection results in a much cleaner running engine. And because the system is constantly adjusting to get the optimum performance for conditions, EUI gives maximum fuel efficiency. Engine sensors match timing to load, RPM, engine temperature, and altitude, further increasing the potential for extended engine life. Electronics also enhance diagnostic capabilities. An optional service tool, the Electronic Controller Analyzer Programmer, ECAP for short, replaces about 13 individual service tools used on mechanical unit injection engines. ECAP can retrieve and display important status information from oil pressure to timing sensor calibration. Its ease and speed mean reduced maintenance and repair time. The improved electronic transmission control enhances transmission performance with features like control throttle shift. The control reduces or increases engine throttle as needed to reduce torque and allow the clutches to engage smoothly. Control throttle shift reduces stress on the powertrain, helps relieve operator fatigue, and improves drivetrain component life and durability. If the actual transmission torque outputs were plotted on a graph, they would look something like this. Now take a look at the same shifting sequence with the control on. You can see what a dramatic improvement control throttle shift makes. Directional shift management is another benefit of powertrain intelligence. When directional shifts or shifts from neutral are attempted at high RPM, engine throttle is electronically controlled, reducing driveline torques. This helps prevent excessive transmission wear and increases drivetrain life. The neutral coast inhibitor will not allow the transmission to shift to neutral until the truck slows to less than 5 miles per hour. This ensures proper lubrication and oil cooling for increased transmission life. These advanced electronic systems make the B-Series trucks smarter by adding precision control to critical systems, simpler by reducing the number of moving parts, and more cost-effective through reduced fuel consumption and repair costs. Caterpillar trucks have demonstrated again and again that they're superior to electric drive trucks in powertrain efficiency. The reason is Caterpillar's electronically controlled mechanical drive powertrain delivers engine horsepower to the wheels more efficiently through direct drive components. Direct drive allows Cat trucks to shift gears to accommodate various loads and grades. As grades get steeper, a Caterpillar truck downshifts to a lower gear, maintaining between 82 and 85% overall powertrain efficiency, on grades up to 15%. Electric drive trucks convert mechanical power generated by a diesel engine to alternating current, then to direct current, and then back again to mechanical power to turn the wheels of the truck. Each conversion reduces powertrain efficiency, and that reduces performance on a grade. Since electric drive trucks do not shift gears, their peak efficiency point of approximately 78% is limited to a very narrow range of effective grades. For faster cycle times, you need trucks which accelerate quicker and travel faster. And the Cat 785B, 789B, and 793B have the highest rim pull in their size class. The Cat powertrain multiplies torque by use of its own torque converter for speeds up to 4.5 miles per hour. At 4.5 miles per hour, the torque converter locks up to provide more efficient direct drive. The transmission stays in direct drive on effective grades up to 15%. Greater rim pull allows Cat trucks to move out faster, attain road speeds quicker, and hold speed better on grades. Overall, mechanical drive means higher powertrain efficiency is maintained over a wider range of effective working grades to provide you with these advantages: faster speeds on grades, faster acceleration, more efficient use of horsepower, better fuel efficiency, and better maintained performance on steeper grades. And it all means you'll get higher mine productivity and lower cost per ton. One of the most important factors in cost per ton is fuel consumption. The more horsepower required, the more fuel is consumed in operation. An electric drive truck requires 2,000 horsepower to match the rim pull speed performance of an 1,800 horsepower Cat mechanical drive truck. And that 200 extra horsepower demands extra fuel. Results from a mine study between a Cat 789 and a 2,000 horsepower competitor revealed the electric drive competitor produced 5.3 tons per gallon, while the Cat mechanical drive truck produced 5.9 tons per gallon. That's almost 12% more. Customer reports and our testing have revealed that Cat trucks can lower fuel costs. And with the benefits of an electronically controlled powertrain, Cat trucks can deliver fuel efficiency and lower cost per ton. The braking retarding system on Cat trucks adds to their performance and cost efficiency. Operators will maintain high speeds only if they have confidence in their brakes and retarder. Cat brakes command operator confidence because they're responsive and precise, unlike electric drive braking systems. At 25 miles per hour on dry level ground, Cat's four-wheel oil disc braking system will stop a fully loaded 785B or 789B in less than 2 truck lengths. The Cat braking system provides excellent control, especially in wet or slick conditions. And with the addition of Cat's auto retarder control, optimum brakes will automatically be applied on a downhill run. This gives you even better control and optimizes engine RPM, assuring maximum brake cooling. That means valuable production time won't be lost with operators crawling down grades because they don't trust the retarder. And because operators don't have to manually control the retarder, their comfort and productivity levels stay high. The result? Faster cycle times for your operation. Cost savings in maintenance, durability, and fuel consumption is another advantage of the Caterpillar braking system. And compared with electric drive braking retarding systems, Cat's system can save you money and fuel costs. Electric drive trucks can't economize on fuel while retarding because continuous power is required during braking for the wheel motors and for heat dissipating blowers. Cat brakes don't rely on blowers to dissipate the heat. In the Caterpillar braking system, there's no metal-to-metal contact. Instead, disc-to-disc braking pressure is applied through a thin layer of oil, which then conveys heat out of the braking system through heat exchangers. This virtually eliminates brake fade after multiple stops. With the retarder engaged and engine RPMs over 1,000, Cat trucks actually run with fuel off and can achieve average fuel use of 0 gallons per hour on downhill runs. In fact, in 6 downhill speed trap tests, average fuel consumption for Cat trucks was 0 gallons per hour. For the electric drive trucks, it was 17 gallons per hour. Operator confidence, performance, and greater fuel efficiency. The Caterpillar braking system stops the competition in their tracks. Operators are the key to maintaining the highest production level. An operator who feels comfortable and confident works longer, safer, and more efficiently. Cat B-Series truck cabs feature adjustable air suspension seats for a less tiring, more productive ride. Cat cabs are designed to produce higher levels of comfort and efficiency. For example, The auto retarder control was developed to allow the operator to focus more on the haul road and the job and less on the tachometer. The other electronic enhancements on the truck, such as the control throttle shift, add to the smoothness of ride and operation for even higher levels of productivity. The safety of Cat cabs really comes from Caterpillar's commitment to building the strongest, most durable trucks. Exceptional frame durability and features designed for optimum protection demonstrate that commitment. Caterpillar's truck frames are engineered for a working life of 40 to 60,000 hours in normal operations. The frames are built in box sections, bonded by deep, continuous welds to resist twisting forces without extra weight and add resilient strength for rugged mining conditions. Caterpillar uses castings to move welds away from hot spots, as many as 22 castings and 2 forgings, far more than any other manufacturer. Caterpillar trucks are also built with an integral rollover protective structure. Integral means it's actually part of the cab structure. The cab is then bolted to the high-strength castings on the frame. This gives the Cat ROPS/FOPS system added strength and durability, which exceeds SAE and ISO standards. Other Cat safety features include a 3-inch wide retractable seat belt that provides easy access and comfort as well as protection, automatic supplemental steering that meets ANSI, SAE, and ISO standards, and a backlit dash that makes indicator lights easy to notice. The diagnostic capabilities of the electronic system actually make it easier and faster to repair than many mechanical systems. The computer at the heart of the electronics stores information as well as controls machine functions. When there is a problem, the electronic service tool, ECAP, offers instant access to a record of machine events. The problem is isolated quickly, keeping downtime to a minimum. And the electronic monitoring system panel inside the cab always alerts the operator to potential problems before they become critical. So the precision and memory capacity of the electronics pinpoint problems so that service time is short. Minimum downtime is the focus of all Caterpillar dealer support. Better than 90% of parts orders are delivered off the shelf. Other parts are delivered in 24 hours or less. And pre-tested change-out components assure quick turnaround on repairs. Only Caterpillar provides single-source quality control. Cat designs, manufactures, and supports all components on the B-Series trucks. Users rely on one supplier for entire vehicle support. Caterpillar is committed to designing, building, and supporting the most reliable trucks in the mining industry. To building trucks that work smarter, building trucks that work harder, to building trucks that work longer. Caterpillar, trucks built for mining.
Simply put, compaction reduces yields. And with nearly a decade of mobile track experience, Caterpillar knows how to reduce compaction. Mobile Track's low ground pressure and low slip levels reduce surface compaction from tillage operations. So it eliminates tracks left in the field from poor germination in the tractor tire path. Another part of the solution, Mobile Track on Challenger tractors and VFS undercarriages with multiple axles. So axle loads are reduced to approximately 2.5 tons, which greatly reduces deep compaction damage which is very common where rubber-tired tractors operate. This compaction can limit plant root development and water infiltration. But the low ground pressure, low slip, and low axle loads of Caterpillar's exclusive Mobile Track system allows you to maximize your yields. They also provide outstanding flotation when you can't wait to work your fields. Now, Caterpillar brings these profit-producing benefits to more farms with a longer line of Challenger tractors. The most powerful of the line, the 85C, joins the 65C and 75C. Equipped with the fuel-efficient and totally electronic-controlled Caterpillar 3176 engine, the Challenger 85C delivers 325 gross engine horsepower in first and second gears and 355 gross horsepower in gears 3 through 10, enough to compete with 400 horsepower four-wheel drive tractors. And now, joining the lineup is the variable horsepower Challenger 70C. Variable horsepower and a more durable powertrain broaden its working range to include high draft tillage down to 2.5 miles per hour while retaining the high-speed performance of a Challenger 65C. The complete C-Series line also features a new undercarriage design, which reduces daily maintenance requirements, improves turning performance, and increases clearance throughout for improved debris rejection. And of course, you get the benefit of superior tractive efficiency, meaning a high percentage of gross engine power is turned into usable drawbar power. The result? A more fuel-efficient and economical tractor that uses its engine to generate work, not to spin tires. Traction, flotation, and reduced compaction are also very desirable in row crop work. We're adding new, innovative, technologically advanced, row crop capable tractors equipped with MobileTrack to our product line. Once again, Caterpillar is about to change the way you farm. The Challenger 45 is a smaller member of this new line that fulfills your application requirements for tractors of more than 150 PTO horsepower. It has flexibility with adjustable gauge from approximately 60 to 90 inches and belt widths ranging from 16 to 32 inches to fit a wide variety of row spacings. It has a full power shift transmission, standard 3-point hitch and PTO, plenty of crop clearance, a steering system similar to the larger Challenger tractors, and the proven friction drive MobileTrack system. And of course, it gives you those same Caterpillar rubber belt advantages: superior tractive effort, great flotation, and low compaction. In fact, axle loads are less than 2.5 tons, and ground pressure can be as low as 4 psi. It's a full line of MobileTrack-equipped farm tractors, all part of Caterpillar's commitment to the farming industry. A commitment to provide you with a better way to operate. A commitment to get you on track. Farming is a changing business. It seems every year you need more performance, more productivity, and you have to get your work done in less time for less money. Your rubber tire tractor just can't meet your changing demands. These days, you need a tractor versatile enough for any application. One that reduces compaction and delivers the superior traction and high flotation you need to get the job done. A tractor powered by a reliable, efficient engine with precise, easy-to-operate controls. A machine that does all this and doesn't sacrifice operator comfort. Simply put, you want it all. A new way to do business. A new set of ground rules. It's all here in the new line of Caterpillar row crop capable tractors. The Challenger 35 at 175 PTO horsepower and the Challenger 45 at 200 PTO horsepower. At the heart of the Challenger 35 and 45 is the industry-proven mobile track system. The undercarriage on these tractors was specifically designed to work in row crops. You can change the gauge in the field from a minimum of 60 inches to a maximum of 88 inches. You can operate in rows as narrow as 20 inches or as wide as 60 inches. The mobile track system also provides outstanding flotation. When you have critical tillage, planting, or harvesting tasks to complete, you can't afford to wait for the fields to dry. The high flotation on the Challenger 35 and 45 will reduce your concerns about rutting wet fields or causing lasting compaction damage. You can get into the fields and get the job done. In some years, this can be the difference between profit and loss. The mobile track system also allows the Challenger 35 and 45 to transmit more engine power to the ground as usable drawbar power than rubber-tire tractors can. Efficient use of engine power means you get more work done for each gallon of fuel burned, saving you money and improving the profitability of your operation. The Caterpillar 3116 engine powers the Challenger 35 and 45 tractors. The latest advances in engine design make it a strong, efficient performer. The air-to-air aftercooling system lowers intake air temperatures more than a jacket water aftercooler. Cooler air is more dense and produces more complete fuel combustion. That means reduced emissions and improved fuel economy. It also means lower exhaust temperatures for improved engine life. Mechanical unit injectors combine the nozzle and high-pressure pump into a single assembly for each cylinder. Unit injectors operate at higher injection pressures. More fuel atomizes and combustion efficiency improves. Two-piece articulated pistons stand up to the higher cylinder pressures, so the smaller displacement engine has a life that compares to a bigger engine with the same horsepower. Advanced technologies like these allowed Caterpillar to develop engine ratings for the Challenger 35 and 45 tailored to the demands of ag customers. You wanted engines with lots of guts, capable of pulling through tough spots and handling changes in terrain without a lot of shifting. Qualities that make you more productive and minimize fatigue. So the Challenger 45 features 35% maximum PTO torque rise, and the Challenger 35, 50%. These ratings produce about 8% more PTO power at 1,800 RPM than they do at rated engine speeds. You get a power reserve to keep you going when the going gets tough. Keeping you going in the right direction at the right speed is the job of the full power shift direct drive transmission. The patented Caterpillar differential steering system, planetary final drives, and oil-cooled disc brakes. The transmission features programmable electronic controls, an inching pedal, 16 forward speeds, 9 reverse speeds, and helical cut gears for quiet operation. The electrical controls provide 5 different methods of gear selection and power shuttle capability. The controls are all right here, easy to reach, easy to use, no matter what size you are. There are 2 new transmission control functions on the Challenger 35 and 45. The first is programmable upshift and downshift. Pre-program the system when field conditions change. Then use the rocker switch to make as many as 3 upshifts or downshifts. It's very useful when turning at the end of the field. and then resume speed with the switch for easier shifting. You'll like another function, automatic shifting. Push a button and the transmission automatically upshifts and downshifts in gears 10 through 16, allowing you to concentrate on operating the tractor during high-speed applications. The exclusive CAT differential steering system gives the Challenger 35 and 45 the smallest turning radius of any machines in their class. When moving straight ahead, power goes from the transmission to the steering differential and splits evenly between the tracks. When you turn, power goes from the bidirectional hydraulic motor to the steering differential, which changes power distribution. One track slows down and the other speeds up. Differential steering supplies power to both tracks at all times, even during tight turns, and provides a maximum speed differential of 5.6 miles per hour between tracks. No wheel tractor can turn as tightly as the Challenger tractors. The Challenger tractor cabs are clean, quiet, and comfortable. The swiveling air ride seat, conveniently located, easy-to-use controls, an electronic monitoring system, and an environmentally friendly air conditioning system are all standard on the Challenger 35 and 45. Powertrain and cab insulation keep noise levels low, and there's 58 square feet of glass for excellent visibility during any application. The Challenger 35 and 45 are at home in a wide range of agricultural applications. Do you want to use semi-mounted or fully mounted equipment? Go ahead and hook up to it with the 12,500-pound lift capacity 3-point hitch. Need more capability? It's available. A 15,000-pound lift capacity and electronic draft control are options. Do you need to apply chemicals? Do it. Chemical tank mounts are designed into the tractor, not added on as an afterthought. Cultivating? Equip your tractor with 16, 18, or 20-inch belts and the right spacers to get the centers you need. Worried about compaction risk and rutting? No problem. Use 25 or 32-inch belts with the appropriate spacers so you can do the work when you need to, not when your rubber tire tractor lets you. Do you have to support your self-propelled combine or perform other important harvesting tasks? It's easy with the Challenger 35 or 45. Just back up and hook up to your grain cart, forage harvester, or pull-type combine with the 1,000 RPM PTO. Need to go slow? Equip your Challenger tractor with the creeper transmission to add 16 forward and 9 reverse speeds. You can operate as slowly as 0.13 miles per hour for precision applications or deep power harrowing. Got a heavy load to pull? Equip your Challenger tractor with the available counterweight packages and have at it. Most daily service points on the Challenger 35 and 45 can be reached from ground level or from a service platform. The front hood tilts up to give you easy access to engine service points. Easy daily servicing keeps you working in the field instead of working on your tractor. But when you need parts, service, or any kind of dealer support, don't hesitate to call your Caterpillar dealer. They're completely stocked with the supplies and maintenance items you need to keep your Challenger 35 or 45 running smoothly. If it's not in stock, they can get it for you, fast. Plus, you'll find genuine CAT parts competitively priced, often less expensive than other manufacturers. Our skilled field service people are strategically located so they can get to your farm quickly. They'll get you back to work in a hurry. Down the road, if your Challenger tractor needs a major overhaul or other professional in-shop service, your Cat dealer has fully equipped facilities. Help is as close as your telephone. When your Challenger 35 or 45 is in the field, rest assured, it carries a non-stop commitment of total support from your Caterpillar dealer. The Challenger 35 and 45, satisfying the changing needs of farming, saving you time and money. When your wheel tractor just won't do what you have to get done, get on track with a new set of ground rules. Caterpillar's Challenger 35 and 45.